Unlock savings with coupon books. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where learning English is both fun and insightful. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss: coupon books. You might have heard about them when shopping or in advertisements. Stick around to learn what they are, how they work, and why they can be incredibly useful. A coupon book is a collection of coupons bundled together, usually within a booklet or a digital format, that offers discounts and deals. These books can be specific to a retailer, a group of stores, or a variety of businesses. They often represent savings on products or services and are used as a promotional tool to encourage consumers to try new items or visit new stores. The concept of coupon books dates back to the late 19th century when Coca-Cola issued the first coupon. The idea was to get more people to try their drink. Fast forward to today, and coupon books have evolved into a staple saving tool. They're often found in fundraisers, at the entrance of grocery stores, or as part of loyalty programs. Using a coupon book is simple. You flip through the book, find a deal you like, and present it at the time of purchase to get the discount. The discounts can range from a percentage off the price to buy one get one free deals. Always pay attention to the expiration date and terms and conditions before using a coupon. Coupon books come in various forms. Some common types include grocery coupon books, offer discounts on food and household items. Restaurant and dining coupon books, provide deals for meals and beverages. Travel and leisure coupon books, include offers for hotels, car rentals, and tourist attractions. Service coupon books, contain discounts for services like oil changes, cleaning, or salon visits. Coupon books are beneficial because they save money on everyday purchases, encourage trying new products or services at a lower risk, support local businesses when the coupons are community-focused, help in budgeting by planning purchases around coupons. You can find coupon books through purchase in stores or online, free with a product or service, fundraising activities, direct mail to your home. Thank you for watching our video on coupon books. We hope this gives you an insight into how coupon books can lead to great savings and encourage you to try out new things without spending a lot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy saving and happy learning!